Hi guys, this is Sergen. Welcome to Teknoway YouTube channel. Let's begin. When you need the mobile phone repair, you can get support from us, Teknoway. Our location is in Istanbul, Kadıköy district, in a very central and easy to reach place. We do cell phone repair. Teknoway is a professional company that has been doing cell phone repair and electricity scooter repair for a long time. Plus, all that kind of malfunctions and repairs such as mobile phone screen replacement, mobile phone battery replacement, and mobile phone not charging, mobile phone memory upgrade, mobile phone not working. You can come to us that kind of problem. You can contact us. The location of our store is at Kadıköy Söğütçeşme Street. Teknoway is written of our sign. If you want to come to Kadıköy, you will have many options like Marmaray, like bus, like metro. The building you see on the screen now belongs to us. We are a 5-floor telephone repair factory. Then with our staff and professional technicians, we would like to make and deliver your device to you on the same day without any problems. If you wish, you can come to our store and have your phone repaired, or you can send your phone for repair by courier. You can watch on our YouTube channel the other videos, or on the Instagram page, which is Teknoway. You can see and watch lots of repairment videos we have done before. We love to repair phones. We love to see you in our store. We do fast replacement, fast battery replacement. We are successful in phone repair of brands such as iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi. We are fastest phone repair company in Turkey. When you come to our store for phone repair, we welcome you in the waiting room of our cafe on the 2nd floor. You can drink tea or coffee as self-service. If you wish, you can sell your phone, or you can buy the new one or second-hand phone. That's easy peasy, lemon squeezy on the Teknoway. Please don't forget to like that video and make your comments. Waiting for you on the Teknoway. Don't wonder, we are waiting for you. Come on guys, see you later. Bye bye.